As you prepare to launch your next campaign, adding Google Analytics is a simple way to get deeper insight into what's working and where there's room to improve. With Google Analytics, you can see which campaigns drive the most conversions, where your traffic originates, whether that's from an email, ad, or social post, and which versions of your donation forms attract the most donors. These insights help you refine your campaigns, optimize conversions, and make every fundraising effort more effective. In this video, we'll show you how to track your campaign performance within Studio. To make this easy, there are just 3 simple steps to follow. Step 1. Understand how campaign tracking works. Step 2. Create your own tracking links. Step 3. View the results in GA4. Before we start, make sure you already have GA4 and UTM connected to your Studio page. It's super easy to do this in our Studio. If you need help with the installation, check out video attached for a step-by-step guide. Next, we'll look at how campaign tracking helps you see where your visitors are coming from. When you share your donation links across different channels, you'll want to know which one brings people to your site. That's what campaign parameters do. Campaign parameters are small tags added to your URLs that help identify where your visitors come from and how they found you. By using these parameters, you'll be able to see where the traffic originated, how visitors arrived, which campaign they came from, and even compare different creative versions for A/B testing. There are 5 basic parameters you can add to your URLs. UTM source identifies where the traffic originated, such as Facebook, newsletter, or Google. UTM medium tells GA4 how the visitor arrived, maybe through email, social, or banner. UTM campaign specifies which campaign the traffic belongs to. UTM content helps differentiate creatives. For example, different ad versions, images, or text buttons used in A/B testing. UTM ID is the unique identifier for your campaign. Now let's look at an example. Here's a sample donation link with campaign parameters added. In this case, the visitor clicks a paid Facebook ad. The campaign is an upgraded version of last year's Spring Appeal. And we're running subject line A for this version: every gift changes a life. To learn more about other UTM parameters, you can visit Google Analytics Help for detailed guidance. Now that you understand what UTM parameters are, let's see how to create your own campaign links. The easiest way to do it is to use Google's Campaign URL Builder. First, in the Studio, copy the URL you'd like to track. Then enter your Studio page link in the website URL field. Then fill in the UTM fields. Campaign ID, campaign term and campaign content are optional. You can include them if you would like more detailed tracking, but they are not required for standard reporting. Once you've filled those in, Google will automatically generate the full tracking link. You can then copy that link and use it in your campaign. Now let's see how the data appears in Google Analytics 4. First, copy the generated campaign URL from URL Builder and open the page. Scroll down or interact with it to make sure the page view is recorded. Then, go to your Google Analytics and open the real-time report. Under Event Count by event name, find Page View, and click on it. Here, you'll see all the parameters that we added, such as campaign, medium, and content. Click on any event parameters, you can see the exact value and how many times it has been triggered. This confirms that your UTM parameters have been successfully transferred to GA4. To review detailed and historical campaign data, you could go to GA4 Explore after 24 to 48 hours. Open Explore from the left menu and create a new exploration. Select a blank report. Then under Dimensions, find Traffic Source. Select Session Source, Session Medium, and Session Campaign. These correspond to the UTM parameters we added earlier. You can include metrics such as sessions, average session duration to measure your campaign performance. By double-click on the dimensions and metrics, Explore will generate visualizations and tables automatically. Through this, you can better know your campaign performance. For example, which campaigns bring in the most visitors, and which ones convert best. For advanced analysis techniques, you could refer to the resource link attached in the video. You've now learned how to track your Studio campaigns with GA4 and UTM links. Start applying it to your next campaign, and turn your data into fundraising impact.